between the wild animals. On the meadows now were a swarm of warthog foraging. A leopard prowling saw the prey on his meal. He sought to approach the warthog, climb onto the observation tree, and look for opportunities. Leopard closely watches his prey and surrounding situation before attacking. It came down from the branches and started attacking its prey. The warthog is a species of animal with considerable power and does not tolerate enemies. It strives to resist attack from aggressive predators. The struggle continued to be fierce, but before Leopard's sharp fangs, the warthog quickly accepted its fate. A pack of wild dogs is resting in the middle of the field. They are toying with each other and not realizing the danger is near. Nearby was the lion. He was staring at the pack of wild dogs and looking for opportunities to hunt. The lion slowly walked towards the prey and he chose to approach the small wild dog. The leader of wild dog has warned the danger is imminent with the dogs. The surrounding animals also focus their attention on the specialties of two dangerous predators. Not letting the prey escape, the lion immediately launched an attack on the herd. The frightened wild dogs flee from the lion onslaught, but at their pace, the lion certainly doesn't let him have to be hungry at his meal. Finally, an ill-fated wild dog marked by the lion and became a meal for the lion. The lion's spectacular hunting demonstrates the lion's bravery and excellent hunting skill in the wild. An ostrich herd is feeding in the field. They are enjoying the sun and leisurely foraging. There are also several cheetahs sitting there. There's an ostrich is starting to lay eggs. A cheetah saw the newly laid ostrich eggs and rushed to steal the new egg. The ostrich looks around to make sure that no thief can reach her eggs. She's so careful. And the cheetah slowly came. The ostrich saw the thief and attacked it to protect her eggs. Unfortunately, the other cheetahs in the back saw the ostrich is chasing their fellow. Nearby is the lion, is hiding and waiting for the opportunity. The pursuit of life and death between the ostrich and cheetahs is extremely intense. The ostrich has been continuously attacked from the aggressive cheetah strikes. It tried to escape from the attack, but the herd is so fragile. Finally, the speed of an ostrich is finally overpowered by the power and aggression of the 30 cheetahs. Finally, the ostrich collapsed. When the ostrich is defeated and the cheetahs back is focusing on their prey, the lion takes advantage of the fat opportunity to casually approach their eggs and enjoy the result of his cleverness. In the midst of the scorching heat of the tropical grassland, the rivers are the source of many animals. And of course, elephants are not an exception. Elephants are looking for cool water and they approach the river to rescue their thirst. A crocodile saw a good opportunities and immediately approached the herd of elephants. Now it starts hunting. The crocodile for an opportunity to attack the elephant. The elephant still drink water without realizing the dangers in the bottom of the water. And now the crocodile suddenly attacked the trunk of a large elephant drinking water, and then it tried to squeeze to pull the prey into the river. With its power, the elephant struggled to knock the aggressive crocodile out of it, and soon after, it escaped onslaught of the enemies. And finally, the crocodile accepted to give up. Now the elephant is safe on the ground, and the unlucky crocodile will have to in the middle. A cheetah is hunting. He saw oryx going to graze nearby. Immediately, he approached and looked for an opportunity to attack. And with his large prey, the cheetah aimed at one, and now he attacked. The oryx flock saw so scared, and they ran away. The cheetah is chasing, and now he's trying to catch an oryx. It grabs its prey and holds on until the animal is no longer able to resist. Oryx is a herd of animals. A large oryx sees the small oryx is in danger. It can despite being attacked, heading to where the oryx is being held by the cheetahs and freeing its fellow. The cheetahs fled fearfully, and fortunately for the oryx, he had kept his life. Thank you for watching our video today. Like and subscribe for more interesting video. And now goodbye and see you next time.